Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about oxytocin. So let's start topic with introduction. Oxytocin is a peptide hormone and neuropeptide that is produced by hypothalamus and is secreted by posterior pituitary gland. It is widely known as love hormone or bonding hormone because of its key roles in childbirth, lactation, social bonding and emotional regulation. Apart from reproduction, oxytocin influences behavior, stress responses, and trust building in relationships. Discovery and nomenclature of oxytocin. Oxytocin was first discovered in 1906 by Sir Henry Dale, who identified its role in uterine contraction. The name oxytocin is derived from Greek word meaning quick birth that emphasizes its function in labor. Chemical nature of oxytocin. Oxytocin is a non-peptide hormone that is composed of 9 amino acids with a molecular weight of about 1007 daltons. Its structure is similar to vasopressin, another hormone that is related from the posterior pituitary, and they both share evolutionary origin. Site of secretion of oxytocin. It is synthesized by paraventricular and supraoptic nuclei of hypothalamus. It is after synthesis it is transported along nerve fibers to posterior pituitary gland for storage and release into bloodstream when needed. Regulation of oxytocin secretion. Oxytocin release is mainly controlled by positive feedback mechanism. During labor, it causes stretching of cervix and uterus that triggers oxytocin release, which further intensify uterine contraction. During breastfeeding, the suckling stimulates oxytocin secretion that causes milk ejection. Unlike most hormones, oxytocin level rise as a response to specific stimuli rather than being regulated by negative feedback. Physiological function of oxytocin. First is its role in females. It causes labor and delivery as oxytocin induces strong uterine contraction during childbirth, helping in expulsion of the fetus. Second, it helps in milk ejection reflex in females as it stimulates contraction of myoepithelial cells in the mammary gland that aid milk flow during breastfeeding. Third role in female is maternal bonding that promotes emotional connection between mother and baby. Role in males of oxytocin. First role is sperm transport as oxytocin contributes to sperm transport during ejaculation. Second role is emotional bonding as it influences trust, intimacy, and social relationships. Role of oxytocin in behavioral and emotional functions. It enhances social bonding, trust, empathy, and stress reduction. It plays a role in emotional regulation and relationship building. Clinical importance of oxytocin. First is its medical uses. It is used in labor induction as synthetic oxytocin that is also called as pitocin is used to induce a strengthened uterine contraction during childbirth. Second medical use is in postpartum hemorrhage as oxytocin helps reduce bleeding by contracting the uterus after delivery. Third medical use is in the lactation issues as it assists mothers struggling with milk letdown reflex. It has also importance in disorders that are associated with oxytocin that include deficiency of oxytocin that may lead to difficulty in breastfeeding due to impaired milk ejection. It can cause overproduction that is rare but can cause excessive uterine contraction and complications in the labor. And it can also cause behavioral disorders as studies suggest oxytocin imbalances may be linked to autism spectrum disorders, anxiety, and depression. Factors affecting oxytocin level. First is positive interaction that may include physical touch, affection, and trust building activities that increase oxytocin level. Second is stress, as high stress and cortisol level can suppress oxytocin secretion. Third is hormonal changes, as pregnancy, childbirth, and breastfeeding naturally elevate oxytocin levels. Oxytocin and social behavior. Oxytocin is often called the cuddle hormone because it enhances bonding in couples, parent-child relationship, and friendships. It reduces fear and increases feeling of safety and attachment, playing an essential role in human relationships. Conclusion of this lecture video. Oxytocin is a powerful hormone that not only facilitates childbirth and breastfeeding but also fosters emotional well being, trust, and bonding. Its dual role as both a hormone and a neuropeptide make it essential for physical and emotional health. Understanding oxytocin mechanism help improve treatment for labor complications, emotional disorders, and social connection challenges. And this was all about oxytocin. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.